Cycling during lockdowns and having to meet outside in parks much of the rest of the time meant exposure to the elements. Sometimes the rain was light enough that the nearest tree provided enough shelter, but not always. So as I prepare for another soggy excursion on my bicycle tomorrow, here is a famous reason to be cheerful in wet weather from the movies. Why am I smiling and why do I sing? Why does December seem sunny as spring? Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and het up with joy in my heart. Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a life full of you. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the rain. Why do they call me the boy with the smile? When did I find out that life is worthwhile? Why do I treat all my troubles with scorn? Seeing the rainbow before it is born. Why am I sure all my dreams will come true? Because I am banking my whole world on you. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, there's a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the rain.